Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie. I'm a speech-language pathologist, and today we're going to talk about adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe. In other words, they tell more about something. Adjectives are words that tell us what color, shape, size, or age something is. They can tell us how someone feels or looks. Let's look at an example together. This sentence says, I see a bird. Let's add an adjective to tell more about the bird, to describe the bird. I see a blue bird. I see a small bird. I see a pretty bird. I see a fast bird. Blue, small, pretty, and fast, those are all adjectives that describe the bird. Let's do another one. This sentence says, I see a hamburger. Let's add an adjective to tell more about the hamburger, to describe the hamburger. I see a big hamburger. I see a hot hamburger. I see a delicious hamburger. Big, hot, and delicious, those are all adjectives that describe the hamburger. If we're trying to describe the size of something, we might use adjectives like tiny, small, big, huge, short, and tall. If we are describing the shape of something, we might use adjectives like round or square. If we are describing how something feels, we might use adjectives like bumpy, smooth, warm, or cold. This is my dog, Goose. Let's describe Goose with adjectives. Goose is big. Goose is soft. Goose is squishy. Look at his squishy cheeks. And Goose is tired. That's why he's laying down. This is my cat, Wally. Let's use adjectives to describe Wally. Wally is small, orange, and fluffy. Look at all this fluffy fur. Now that you know what adjectives are, let's play a game. It's called Add an Adjective. I'm going to show you a picture and a sentence. I want you to change the sentence to add an adjective that describes the picture. For example, if I give you this one, I see a milkshake. You might change that sentence and say, I see a cold milkshake, or I see a yummy milkshake, because cold and yummy, those are adjectives. You would add an adjective. I'm going to tell you the adjectives I thought of. Your adjectives, they might be different, and that's okay. Just make sure that your adjective describes the picture. Ready? Now it's your turn. Let's play Add an Adjective. I see a cat. Add an adjective. The adjectives I thought of to describe the cat were black, small, and furry. I see a banana. Add an adjective. The adjectives I thought of to describe the banana were long, yellow, and squishy. I see a building. Add an adjective. The adjectives I thought of to describe the building are tall, blue, and rectangular. I see a car. Add an adjective. The adjectives I thought of were loud, green, and fast. Great work! I love how you thought of adjectives to describe each picture. Did you know that using adjectives is a great way to spice up your writing? Using adjectives in your writing makes your stories more interesting. Look at this story. Once there was a girl named Mary. She went to a carnival one day. She rode a roller coaster. What a day she had. Let's see if we can add some adjectives to make this story more interesting. Once there was a little girl named Mary. She went to a busy carnival one day. She rode a fast, scary roller coaster. What an exciting day she had. See how much more interesting that second story was? The adjectives really helped you picture what was going on and how the character was feeling. You can use adjectives every day, and it can be fun to practice using adjectives by describing things to friends or family members. So here's a little assignment for you. Go find something around your home, maybe a toy, a pet, anything, and describe it to someone using adjectives. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it helped you learn more about adjectives. If you feel like you need a little more practice, just play the video again. To the parents, teachers, and SLPs watching this video, I wrote a workbook called I Can Describe and Categorize. This workbook helps students learn how to describe with adjectives and sort items into categories. It's one of many books in the I Can series available at peachiespeechie.com. You can head over there and download this and use it immediately. We also have a lot of soft, comfortable, high-quality shirts at peachiespeechie.com. And this is one of them. This is actually one of my favorites. It says, "It's okay to be different. In fact, it's pretty awesome." I think this shirt's pretty awesome. And go check it out at peachiespeechie.com.